like it.
Drag swag on Etsy. Come and get some custom drip.
Yeah. Out of gas. Damn it, Bird. Well, how'd the clutch feel?
It feels really good. It feels like a hydraulic. I mean, it really feels kind of like mine did. It feels good. I like it.
I guess I need to mention what we had to do. I didn't video it, but I had to go in and trim that clutch arm up a little bit. So we trimmed it down some and had a header leak, so we put RTV around the headers, or the header. We did the reverse lockout. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. I showed you guys, but did the reverse lockout, and that works flawlessly. So yeah, it shifts sweet, man. It's like
even
butter.
Fifth goes good.
So this will be our first trip down the road in the Calypso. I say this all the time, but I'm not going to beat on it this time. I can't. We have to go through some cycles. We've already probably done 25, 30 cycles on the lift, just trying to break everything in. Clutch feels really good. It's stiff, but it feels real good. So our modifications worked out great. Just put some gas in this thing. Hopefully she'll go ahead and start up because, you know, kind of ran out. Driven this.
street car.
It is. I don't know why I pulled over here. You gotta get your car out. Hell yeah. Ooh, that sweet. Berger, you're gonna have to drive it at some point. It's sweet. Get that steering fixed. What you think on the first little ride?
I think it's gonna be sweet.
I think you can tell. Like,
Yeah, you're gonna be able to grab some gears in it.
yeah, for sure. That's it, baby. That's it. Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's really smooth. And, you know, we need to talk about cam selection in these Foxbodies and stuff because we just do. I think a lot of people shy away from these big solid rollers, and I don't, you know what, man, I'm not so sure that you need to. If you got the cubic inch and the torque, I think you can get away with a lot bigger cam than what people are used to. I've got a B cam car with a stock bottom end that bucks worse than that. Guaranteed, and one day I'll probably just try to prove it to you. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. We'll get it with you guys here shortly. We gotta get Berger's car on the lift. Got a lot of work to do. See you in the next one. And as always,